Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is the Graceful Grammar Higher Secondary School Digital Teaching Program. On behalf of the Graceful Grammar Higher Secondary School, I welcome you all to your new class. This is the first homework of Social Studies, Grade 6. The last date of submission of this homework is 7 July 2020. This is your new book, that is Know Your World 6. Take out your book. Your book front cover has Ruins of Mohenjo-daro. Your book is divided into 3 sections: history, geography, and civics. One of the interesting features of this book is Annie's note. Annie is a time traveler from Lahore. Her brother invented a time traveling machine, and because of that machine, she can travel in history. She has a diary where she is writing down all historical events which she is experiencing by her own eyes. This is your new homework which the school has provided you. Total there are 8 questions. There are very easy questions. You can find the answers of these questions from the pages that has been given. How to start your work? Write your name, your father's name and your class on your SST notebook. Put the heading of first term in your notebook. Then make a title page of first homework. Then you have to do all the 8 questions in your notebook. You have to read and understand the material on your own and answer the question after thorough reading of respective pages. You are advised to watch the references video for proper understanding. Now question number 1. What do you know about CE and AD? To answer the question, you have to open the book, page number 3. CE stand for Common Era and AD stand for Anno Domini. I have also given you some information about AD, that is Anno Domini, BC, Before Era, Common Era. You can go through the slide and then you can differentiate between these two in the notebook. Now here in this slide I have shown you more differences between Common Era and Anno Domini. Now question number 2. Write a few lines about Alexander. Students, please open your book, page number 20. On this page you will find out a remarkable warrior. So that remarkable warrior is Alexander, and the title of Alexander is Alexander the Great. The first paragraph of this page is actually the answer of your question. Now question number 3. What was the old name of Peshawar? Open your book, page number 17. There you will find Do You Know. In that Do You Know, you will find out what was the old name of Peshawar. Question number 4. Name the 3 main cities of Gandhara under Persian rule. On the same page, that is page number 17, you can easily find out the 3 main cities of Gandhara. In the slide, I have given you some hints. Now question number 5. Name some important food crops of Pakistan. Now open your book, page number 86. There you will find out the important food crops of Pakistan. In the slide I have given you some hints, that is wheat, rice, sugarcane, lentil. Question number 6. Write some etiquettes of sitting in a library. Okay, for the etiquettes of sitting in the library, you have to open page number 106. On page number 106, you will find out 5 etiquettes that are mentioned. You have to write down these 5 etiquettes of sitting in the library in your notebook. Now question number 7. Draw a labeled solar system on an A4 sheet and paste it. You have to open your page number 50. On page number 50, you can easily find the diagram of solar system. Now, what you have to do, you have to take any A4 colored paper, draw a very neat and clean diagram of solar system on it, and then paste it in your notebook. Question number 8. Draw a labeled figure of land distribution in Pakistan. For that, you have to open page number 83. On page number 83, a pie chart is given. You have to draw that pie chart in which the land distribution of Pakistan is described. That is, how much forest is there, how much desert is there, farmland, scrubbed, wasteland, cities, etc. You are allowed to use different colors for your diagrams. Thank you for watching. I hope you will complete this homework till the deadline. Submit it for checking. After this first homework, second homework will be issued. You can come to school for any guidance from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. There will be an assessment from these homework. So I want you to do it with your heart and repeat and revise it. One thing I want to mention, that before starting your homework in the copy, you have to give the heading of first term in your notebook. Keep studying with us, to which height we cannot rise. Allah Hafiz.